Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.